Let's talk about variables, literals, and assignment statements. These are pretty important topics. Variables are pretty simple and they're used all the time in coding in every language. Variables represent storage locations in a computer's memory and they provide an interface to RAM. So variables are like a communicator. The variable definition is basically that it will tell the compiler the variable's name and the type of data it'll hold. Variables can hold different kinds of data from like any kind of number to any kind of character or string or so on. We must have a definition for every variable that we intend to use in the program. So whenever we declare a variable, we need to initialize it before we can start using it later. The equal sign is an assignment statement. So the equal sign is an operator and it copies its value from the right side into the variable name on the left. An example is what we have here, number is equal to 5. After this line executes, number is going to be set to 5. Do not use quotation marks. Do not use quotation marks when you're setting variables. Now let's talk about literals. Literals are a piece of data written directly into a program's code. Most common use is assigning a value to a variable. So like we did earlier, but we'll do a new example. We'll say number is equal to 100 here. This assigns our literal value to 100. This is for numbers, variables. If we want to do string literals, we would have our cout, we have the arrows pointing to our out. Quotation marks are used here because we're printing a string. Welcome to my program, and then our ending quotes, and then our two arrows to the cout, and we're gonna end the line. This is going to display the string literal, welcome to my program. Next video, it's in the playlist below the like button. We're going over identifiers. If you want more C++, it'll be there too.